Yes, that's right. So now looking at the high bond yields that continue to be on the higher side. Now sources are telling us that Finance Ministry is making discussions on the high bond yields with the RBI. They are currently trying to make an assessment on the level of bond yields. Now sources are telling us that the current level of bond yields is definitely not a comfortable level for the government. And in fact, the sources have said that if we say that bond yields are not very high, it will be definitely an understatement. So this is what the Finance Ministry, that is why they have started discussions with the RBI, and in fact the sources are telling us that any huge steps if needed to control the bond yields will be taken at the right time if needed by RBI obviously. So this is what the sources are telling us. Now we do know that with the recent measures that were announced by the government to tame inflation, including the excise duty cut and the import duty cuts, now they have definitely risked India exceeding the fiscal deficit target. That was the news that we brought in to you yesterday. So the borrowing might likely be increased. So these are a number of factors, and along with the inflation, the interest cycle continuing to be on the higher side, RBI governor saying that is no brainer that interest rates will be hiked. So these are a number of domestic factors that have been continuously impacting the bond yield. So this is why the Finance Ministry has started now discussions with the RBI. They are currently making an assessment, and any huge steps if needed will be brought at the right time by the RBI. So this is what we are bringing to you exclusively at this hour.